Hi, hello. I will start the research project presentation, and my project is about improvement of UTS Canvas learning management system. Next, I will make the introduction. First, I will talk about the background. Why I choose this topic. And next, I will explain the learning management system. And next, I will show how to use questionnaire to collect the data and how to calculate the data and deal with it. And next, I will show the improvement of UTS Canvas and its prototype. It's about 2FA, about dashboard, about AI summary, and assignment submission information. And next, I will explain the background. The topic was finally decided upon in consultation with my supervisor in February. As a student at the UTS since 2024, I had the opportunity to utilize two different learning management systems, UTS Blackboard and UTS Canvas. Initially, students who started studying in UTS in 2020 used UTS Blackboard, but those students moved to UTS Canvas at the end of the fall 2020 semester. However, while adopting this new system, I encountered some issues, including inconsistent grading compared to UTS domain, which at times led to confusion for me and my teammates, my, my classmates, about the learning process at UTS. Notably, UTS Canvas was launched as a replacement for UTS Blackboard in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Although this, uh, although this UTS students operating system administrators has worked hard to iterate and improve the system, their relatively short tenure has resulted in some unresolved issues. Okay, and next I will introduce the learning management system. A learning management system is a software application that can help manage, record, track, report, and deliver educational courses or training programs. An learning management system can be defined as an online platform that provides support for traditional teaching activities, such as information presentation, course material management, and collection and evaluation of student assessments. The learning management system must be able to store and provide grades and feedback to learners. In many educational instructions in Australia and China, learning management systems are an important part for the student learning experience. Online learning tools facilitate the adoption of a student-centered learning model in which teachers no longer have absolute control and there's more frequent interaction between students and teachers, encouraging collaborative learning. And in questionnaire design part, I will show how to design the function. First, I find the main function in Canvas. And here you can see that. Wait a second. Here, I experienced the whole the whole Canvas, yeah? From login to dashboard and course assignment, course calendar, notification, models, assignment announcement, and discussion, submission. In this part, I list all the main function, all main functions in Canvas. And next, I design the question of survey based on these functions, and you can see the function. You can see the question here. And first, I tell the one who filled the survey what what my project is about, and next I show how to deal with the data. And here is a question about the survey and questionnaire. And the first, let me see the example, because I see the calendar function. So I designed this question about on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to check the course calendar before submitting assignments? And it's just to use always or never used before. Yeah. And the next, when I finish the survey, I collect the data and deal with the data. And this data amount is 31, and it's from UTI students. And here you can see I put the link to invite students from UTS by WeChat group, by the course group, by my roommates, and I use two functions to combine with to deal with the data. And first, I use data virtualization function of Google Forms, and I use ChatGPT to get the concurrent. And here you can see it's a data virtualization in Google Forms. I can collect the data and write a report about the data. And I put this report to ChatGPT, and it can help me to make the concurrent. And next, I will show the concurrent first. Okay. And these are the concurrent. First is 2FA needs to be used in combination with different types of verification methods. Not only that, the system needs to prompt the users how to find the verification information. If the verification information cannot be found in the mailbox, you can try to search for the verification information in the mailbox trash can. And since different students have different needs for dashboard models, a function need to be set up to allow users to set the elements retained by the dashboard and put the course notification setting function in a more obvious location, such as the convenience dashboard. And Canvas learning management system can be added the following information in the assignment submission interface. It's about reference materials and for faculty contact information. And next and last, and I think discussion post maybe some article is too long and students cannot get the meaning quickly. So I want to design a function about AI summary to summarize the article in the discussion board, and thereby increasing the efficiency of users reading the topic post in the discussion forum and facilitating user communication. And okay, here I will talk about the information in the submission post. I added the subject coordinators contact detail and provide information about the subject coordinator contact detail with UTS students in the submit page in order to help students to contact with their tutors when they meet problem during the assignment. And I added the academic resource to provide about the resource about the assignment with students in UTS in the submit page. Okay, and next I show the sorry. I mean, next I add a function about tips on the 2FA page. And when logging in a new device for the first time or forgetting the password, users need to 2FA, and 2FA verification is required. At this time, and administrators can prompt and list the possible situation in which the user cannot receive verification information. And here is an example. If you do not receive the verification information and so on, yeah. Okay, and next I will show the dashboard model management. And here you can see the dashboard is combined with the course, calendar, and activities. And some people don't want to see so much more elements, and he can click display setting and to show the elements, and he can see all the elements. And if you don't want to see all the function or all the elements, and he can contain one, but to remember, we can hide in all the elements. It will take tips. Okay, and next I will introduce the discussion session. And in discussion, a function in Canvas, and you can see a post here. And maybe sometimes it's too long, and we don't have so much attention to this article. So by this way, I find this AI summary function to the long article. And with a second, yeah, here is the summary of this article. And this can make users understand the article quickly. Okay, and thank you for the presentation. And here is the reference.